Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to change language in Meta Business Suite. To start, you will need to link your Facebook to Meta Business Suite. Then, when you change your Facebook language, it will automatically use the Facebook language that you will be using. Now, let's do a quick demo. First, go to facebook.com and make sure you have logged in already. Now tap on your profile on the upper right. There should be a drop down. In here, click on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Language. In here, over at Facebook Language, you will be able to choose one. Just click on the Edit button. In here, this should be over your very own preference so that you will know that you will understand whatever it is saying. After changing language, all you have to do this time is to refresh. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.